Hi friends, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another video for you in the A Homemade Christmas series, and I'm going to be showing you how to make an ornament using the paper coasters from Dollar Tree. You get 8 of these in a pack. They're all the same design. It says foil accent on all, and what they are is just a hard chipboard. And, you know, they're nice and sturdy, so you might want to see if you can find some and see what uses you can find for these. They're just good to have on hand in your craft room. I'm going to be using some glue and scissors, a Christmas card, some ribbon. This is just from Walmart, and I've cut about a 10-inch piece of that off for the hanger for the ornament, and I'll probably be using some more of it in a little bit for a bow. And then I have some trim here. This is from the craft section, the seasonal section in Walmart. And then you're going to need an ink pen, if you want to trace your design out. But what I did, I already have cut this back, the saying, you know, the little saying here. I've already cut that out. And what I did, I just laid my the little disc here underneath, and I just pressed around. I just pressed down around that. And then that gave me a little bit of a line that I could go by to cut this out. And then, of course, we'll be trimming this up a little bit later. If you want to use a piece of plain, you know, craft paper, scrapbook paper, anything, cardstock, anything would work. But I just wanted to use this. It says, enjoy the magic of Christmas and the greatest gift of family and friends. And you could sign it here, and it would be, you know, sign your name and Christmas 2018 or whatever, and it would just be a nice little keepsake for somebody. And so let's get started. Let's lay this under, and you can kind of tell, if you kind of just press down on that, you can kind of see the area that you're going to be getting in your on your design here. And I know that I want to get this house up here. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. I can kind of see. Okay, now just press that card down around that coaster, just like that. And that should give you a line that you can kind of go by to cut this out in a little bit. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yep, there it is. I hope you can see that. Okay, so let's cut this out. And I'm just going to cut outside of that line there, because like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to trim it up anyway in a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of glue there just to glue this together. Now you can use a wet glue if you want, but I've never had a problem using this glue. So you want to coat that really well there. Get that right to the edges. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Coat those edges really well. And I think the reason that this glue does so well for me is I always put it on both pieces of whatever I'm gluing together. That seems to just do the job. Okay, so let's get this put on there. Okay, get that where you want it. Situated there. Get it situated. Okay. Then just press out the air bubbles and just get that okay. Alrighty. Now we've got that. Now you want to find the center of your ornament, because you don't want it to hang crooked, and you just want to kind of figure where you want the hanger to be. Yeah, I think about right there is probably going to be good. Put some hot glue on there. Whoops. Okay. Kind of smash that down there. You don't want a big old gob of glue, because you still have to put your backing on. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's get some glue put here on the back. Okay. Now let's try to get that one kind of centered there to where, okay, that looks good. And then back here, right here, I want to put a little bit more glue right there, just to kind of secure that, just like that. Okay, let's get that pressed down really well. Okay, we're done with the glue. Now, if you want to take a craft knife or whatever and trim this up, you can definitely do that. But I'm going to go ahead and trim around this with scissors. Now, you do get a cleaner cut on these edges if you use a craft knife. I'm going to use my scissors today. Let's see, let's start around here. I have some scissors somewhere that have the non-stick blades, and I need to find them. I think I've got that looking pretty good. Just give that another good press. Okay, now let's start with the trim now. Okay, I'm going to start hot gluing this on, and I'm just going to put it around the edge here, just to make that look a little better. Just a little bead of glue. You don't want a ton, you know, kind of, you don't want it to ooze out to where you're going to be able to see that on the front. Okay. Now just keep going. I'm going to bring this on around now. I'm just going to trim it off. Okay. Alrighty. Now we've got that covered nicely. I think that's so pretty. I love these cards. I sent these cards out a couple of years ago, and I had a few left over, and I which I never get rid of my cards. I always just, always keep them, use them for something. Alrighty, so there you are. And then you can sign this, sign and date it, and it makes a really good keepsake. If you're going to, you know, a little family get-together, or, you know, to a friend's party or something, this would be a really nice little gift to take and, you know, give to the person hosting it. So, okay, let's make a little bow. We'll finish this off. Okay. Alrighty. And then I'm going to put my bow right there, and we're going to call it done. Just like that. Okay. And I think this turned out really pretty. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to share my videos. I appreciate that also. So until next time, you guys be blessed and happy crafting.